JEE MAIN 2026 question. The velocity of sound in air is doubled when the temperature is raised from 0 degree centigrade to alpha degree centigrade, then value of alpha is. Now here convert centigrade into Kelvin. So 0 degree centigrade is 0 plus 273. So it is 273 Kelvin. Alpha degree centigrade in Kelvin is alpha plus 273 Kelvin. Here it is given that V alpha is equal to 2V at 0 degree centigrade, but V is proportional to root T. So V alpha degree centigrade upon V 0 degree centigrade is equal to 2. Now take the ratio of temperature. So is equal to root alpha plus 273 upon 273. Taking square both sides, 4 is equal to alpha plus 273 upon 273. So alpha plus 273 is equal to 4 into 273, that is 1092. So alpha is equal to 1092 minus 273. So alpha is equal to 819 degree centigrade. Thank you.